Boy, your grandmother love take long, man. Or she love take long, so. I go on like say people in our places for go.
Because she's taking so long, can we go and get McDonald's, please?
You have McDonald's money? Do you have McDonald's money? You give me money for buy McDonald's? You ask me about McDonald's for? You know just eat. You're craving so. I make people think so when I feed you. Fucking belly long like goat rope.
No, I have to get one now. It lights up. Grandpa? Grandpa? Oh my God. Grandpa!
What?
Please, can you get me Lily Kelly?
What?
Lily Kelly.
You have Lily Kelly money?
No.
Then if you not have it, how you expect me to have it? Your grandfather is a banker. He's a millionaire, though. Me have a whole heap of money, me rich. Why you not ask your worthless papa? We have. Why you would have want such a ugly show?
Comes with sparkly hair.
Oh, so he's a hemo? Ah, come on, stupid question. Go find a book, man.